Kumar Gupta, Maths and Science teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bettiah. Students, in this video, I'll tell you about Class 7th Science, Chapter 3, Cloth Materials, Fiber to Fabric. Students, you know that we need 3 basic substances for our life: food, cloth and house. Clothes are very essential for us because it saves us from cold, heat, rain, as well as it gives our body a nice and smart look. Students, before going to talk about different processes to making cloth, we have to know that how cloths are got, which substance help to make a cloth. First of all, we have to know about fibers. What are fibers? Students, you all know about cotton. आपने bandages में cotton को देखा होगा. It looks of fluffy appearance, and when this fluffy appearance are twisting, then some thread-like structure got. As suppose this is a handkerchief, and you can see that there is a strand. Now, when we smash it, when I just taking some of the parts, I find some strands which are very thin, and these thin parts are called fibers. When they are twisted, they give a shape of thread, and these threads are weaved in a particular arrangement, and a fabric is produced. So, students, fibers are of 2 types. First, natural fibers, and second, man-made fibers. Natural fibers are got from plant and animals, and the fibers which are got by plant are called plant origin fibers, while the fibers that are got from animals are called animal origin fiber. Now, plant origin fibers are found in 2 types, as cotton and jute, about which you have read in class 6. Now, in this class, we have to read about animal origin fibers, wool and silk. Even in class 8, you will learn about man-made fibers, which are made up by petrochemicals, and they are divided in some of the categories: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. As I told, you have to learn about animal origin fibers, wool and silk. So, what the wool is? Wool is a fiber that is got by the hair of sheep and some special breed of goats. They are formed by molecules of protein that is called amino acid. Even you have seen some shepherds who use to graze the sheep in countrysides. Sheep are to be for wool. So wool is used for making fabrics. Fabrics are made up by fibers. When fibers are arranged in a special way, they are stitched and formed in a cloth, what we use in our dress. Now children, we will see about wool and silk. But first we see about wool, how we get from it, which breed of goat and other animals help us to get wool, what are their qualities and from where they are got in detail we will learn here. As wool is prepared from under hair of those animals which have hairy skin. मीन्स कि वैसे जंतु जिनके लंबे बाल हों, अच्छे बाल हों, सॉफ्ट बाल हों, हम उन्हीं से उनकी प्राप्ति करते हैं. इन विच some special kind of goats as Angora, Cashmere, Nali, Bashire are used. Wool are especially reared for wool because their skins are curly, soft and shiny. As well as some of the other animals as Angora rabbit, alpaca, yak, they are also to be used for wool because they have long hairs and short hairs. So here we will learn about them in detail. As rearing and breeding of sheep. Students, the animal husbandry is especially done in those areas which are either mountainous or deserts. मीन्स वैसे क्षेत्र जहाँ की जमीन उपजाऊ नहीं है, फर्टाइल नहीं है, जहाँ हम बहुत अधिक खाद्य सामग्रियों को नहीं उपजा सकते हैं, वहां के लोगों का जीवन यापन पशुपालन ही होता है. हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू कश्मीर, राजस्थान, गुजरात, हरियाणा, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सिक्किम are some of the states which are famous for rearing wool yielding areas. People who survive on animal husbandry, they provide a special kind of food materials to their animals, as they give some special corn, wheat, cakes, as well as they provide grass and some other plant products. So here we will learn more about the processes of making fabrics from fiber. So in this process, some steps are to be used. Now first step is shearing, second step is scouring or washing, third step is sorting, then comes carding, after that dyeing, then comes spinning, and last comes weaving. Using this process, we will do fabrics from required fiber. So let's go to know about them in detail. We have read about the steps that are to be followed for using to make fabric from fibers. As shearing. So shearing is the process in which we shape the hairs of sheep. यानी इसमें sheep के बालों को कटिंग किया जाता है and this process is done by manual or by machines. Again, washing and stock means the hairs that are taken from the sheep's body are mixed with dirt, grease, iron, and so it needs to wash, and in this process some chemicals and soaps are to be used, which is a long process, and after that it is to be washed. Again come sorting. Sorting means just separating different type of hairs from the bundle, यानी उसमें से कुछ ऐसे बाल को निकालते हैं जो अच्छे किस्म के होते हैं और जो दूसरे जो अच्छे किस्म के नहीं होते हैं उनको एक अलग जगह छांट के रख देते हैं. Now comes carding. Means the carding is the process in which the curly hairs and other smaller hairs are to be strengthened and they are made in a long hairs. Next come dye. Means dye rangna. In this process hairs of sheep are to be dyed in required colors. After that comes spining. In spining the hairs are to be twisted, they are to be changed in a long thread, and that is to be used for making sweaters, scarf and other woolen cloths. And after that comes weaving. Means weaving is the last process by which the threads are to be whipped and make a cloth. This is done by either machine or by knitting. In this process, the fibers are to be arranged in a systematic way as lengthwise and widthwise, and they are just knitted and cloths are to be prepared which are to be used by us. Children, the quality of wool depends on the length of fiber, number of creams or curves per centimeter and tensile strength. तो जो बाल जितने लंबे, घुमावदार और अधिक मजबूत होते हैं उनके ऊपर उनकी क्वालिटी निर्भर करती है. Now keeping this criteria to get Boolean, we adopt two systems. First is Oersted system. Means in this system the long fiber of wool are laid parallel and formed. As a result, worsted fabric is formed. It is extremely durable and has a smooth finish. The worsted fabric is used for making suit and dresses as flannel, gabardine, crepe and blanket cloths. Now second system is woolen system. In this system, the of mixed length are used to produce woolen yarn, and short length is to be carded. Now the woolen cloth are to be prepared by this system is rough and thin. So woolen product includes sweater and carpet. चूंकि ये अच्छे किस्म के होते हैं, थोड़े मोटे होते हैं, रुखड़े होते हैं और इनका प्रयोग हम स्वेटर या फिर दूसरे कार्यों जैसे कारपेट वगैरह बनाने में यूज करते हैं। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर सम occupational hazards also occur. Occupational hazard means कि the labor who work in this factory, they are to be caught by infectious disease, and these diseases are fatal means marnash. They are especially affected by asthma, anthrax disease, because anthrax is a bacteria which is found in the skin or hairs of the animals. So during the sorting, they are to be affected by anthrax bacteria. Now students, wool production in the world. China is at a first position in the world in the production of wool. Again, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Iran, India, Russia and Argentina come in the list. In India, sheep are reared in lower Himalayan region, which include Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab and parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat, about which we have talked earlier. Now children, we will learn about sheep.